Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Therefore we make some plan in this life, and this material body, this gross body is finished, that is dead. But my idea in the subtle body, in the mind, it remains. And because it remains in my mind, therefore to fulfill my desire, I have to accept another body. This is the law of transmigration of the soul. The soul is thus with his plan, he is transformed into another gross body, and along with the soul there is super soul, Supreme Personality of body, sarvasya chaham ridisannivistya matta smriti jnanam apohanam. So the super soul, Supreme Personality of Godhead, gives him intelligence. Now you wanted to execute this plan, now you have got a suitable body and you can do it. So therefore we find that somebody is great scientist or very nice mechanic. This means that in the last life he was making some plan, and this life he gets chance and he fulfills his desire, he discovers something and becomes very reputed, famous man. Because Karmis, they want three things: Labh, Puja, Pratishtha. They want some material profit and they want some material adoration. And Labh, Puja, Pratishtha and stability. This is material life. So, one after another, we are trying to have some material profit, some material adoration, a material reputation, and therefore we are having different types of body, and it is going on. Actually, this acceptance of body does not mean I die. I am there. In subtle form, I am there. Najayate namriyate. Therefore there is no question of birth and death. It is simply transformation of the body. Bhashangshi jinnani jathavyaya. As it will explain in the next part. Bhashangshi jinnani jathavyaya navani jinnati naro aparani tatha sarirani vihaya jinnani annani sanjati navani dehi. Dehi, the living entity, simply changing the dress. It is the dress. This body is dress. Now, the question is, just like there was some discussion, that the spirit has no form. How it can be? If this body is my dress, how I have no form? How the dress has got form? My coat or shirt has got a form because my body has got a form. I have got two hands, therefore my dress, my coat has also two hands. My shirt has also two hands. So, if this is dress, this body, as it is described in the Bhagavad-gita, Bhashangshi jinnani jatha vihaya. So if it is dress, then I must have a form. Otherwise, how this dress is made? It is very logical conclusion and very easy to understand. Unless I have got my own form, how the dress has got form? What is the answer? Anyone can say? How the original living entity can be without hands and legs? If this body is my dress, just like you go to a tailor, he takes measurement of your hand, of your leg, of your chest, then your coat or shirt is made. Similarly, when you have got a particular type of dress, it is to be assumed that I have got my form, spiritual form. Nobody can refute this argument. And apart from our so-called argument, we have to accept the statement of Krishna because he is authority.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama